Student, today we will discuss about the Indus River system. In the first, we will see the Indus River origin place. It is a Mansarovar lake. It is in Tibet region. This river started from this place and it flowed toward the north direction and moved into India from the Ladakh region. In such a way, it moved ahead to the, you will say, west direction, where in the place of Gilgit Baltistan, where the two tributaries join to Indus River. One is Shyok River, the second is Jaskar River. Then Indus River flow to the west direction and it flow toward the south direction with the parallel of India as the western direction and finally fall into the Arabian Sea. This river flow toward the south direction in the place of Mithankot. This river join with the five tributaries of India. These are the rivers which join with India as a tributaries are the Jhelum River, Chenab River, Ravi River, Satluj River and Vyas River. Then in the place of Karachi seaport, this is the Karachi seaport, this is the boundary of Pakistan, then finally it fall into the Arabian Sea. Then in these places, this river system become very important for India. The length of Indus River is from Mansarovar Lake to the Arabian Sea. It is near about 2900 km. It is the third over a river in India. It is the biggest, the longest river of India also, and it is very important river for India. Student, our next topic is Ganga river system. So we will better understand this river system. In the first, student, you should know the origin place of Ganga river. This is the origin place of Ganga river. Ganga river started from the Uttarakhand region. Means in this region where the Alaknanda river, it started from India from the Gangotri glacier. Then another river joined with Alaknanda river. It is the Bhagirathi river. It is the Bhagirathi river and it is the Alaknanda river. Both these rivers join at the place Devprayag. This river finally move to the south direction and at the boundary through the Haridwar and through the boundary of UP, the state Saharanpur, then it moved to the eastward direction of India. Then this river flow with the parallel of western eastern direction and it move ahead. Then many of the tributaries join with Ganga river. This is the Yamuna river. Yamuna river started point from the Yamunotri glacier. Then this river flow with Ganga river at the east direction. This is the tributaries, and with the Yamuna river, two more river join with Yamuna river. It is Chambal river, it is Betwa river and it is Son river. It is Yamuna river, it is Chambal river, it is Betwa river, it is Son river. Then in the place of Allahabad, these two rivers make a kind of sangam, and from the north direction three rivers join with Ganga river. One is the river started from the Nepal Himalaya, it is the Ghagra river. Then river move ahead. Then two river more join with Ganga river. It is Gandak river and it is Kosi river. Then these river flow to the east direction, and this place, this is the Farakka barrage. From this area, this river turned to the south direction. Then this river joined with another river, it is the Bhagirathi Hooghly river, it is the distributary. It is a Bhagirathi Hooghly river, and this river is known as a Padma river. It is in. Then one more river which started from the Mansarovar lake, it is the Brahmaputra river. It is joined, it entered in India from the Arunachal Pradesh and moved to the south direction in Bangladesh. It is joined with the Padma river. Then this river is called the Meghna river, and they make the very big fertile delta in this region. Then this river fall into the Bay of Bengal. So student, you have seen headwater of Ganga is called Bhagirathi and Alaknanda river, which you have seen already. At the Prayag, which they meet together, Haridwar, Ganga enter from mountain to plains. At the Saharanpur, it is the first district of UP, which where the Ganga river started to come to plains. Further coming on plains, river Ganga is joined by many of the tributaries from the Himalayas. Further carrying water from its left and right bank tributaries, the Ganga flows towards east direction. This is the east direction where the Ganga river flow through. Then two branches of the tributaries join from the north and from the south. These two branches are known as the left bank tributaries of Ganga and right bank tributaries of Ganga. Left bank tributaries of Ganga, where the Ghagra river, then second is Gandak river, next is Kosi river, which join with India. These rivers started from the Nepal Himalayas, that is from the glaciers of Himalaya. These rivers floods parts on the northern plains forms every year, causing damage to life and property, but at the same time they enrich the soil for agriculture use. In this area you will see the very fertile plains, fertile soil for the betterment for the agriculture. And then we will see right bank of the tributaries of Ganga. These rivers are joined with Ganga from the, you will say, southwest direction. These are the Yamuna river, these are the Chambal river, Betwa river, Son river. These rivers coming from the semi-arid part of peninsula. This is the semi-arid part of peninsula where they meet together. These rivers have the shorter courses, do not carry much water because of these rivers are the rain-fed river, because these rivers are not originate from the glaciers. I think all the students could understand well. So finally this river move ahead to the, you will say, east direction in the Farakka barrage, where India, Ganga river left the country India and it joined to the another country from the India, it is Bangladesh. And then Bhagirathi Hooghly, it is a distributaries of Ganga, flows in the Bay of Bengal. This is the Bhagirathi Hooghly river, you know very well. I told the two words, one is called tributaries and second is distributaries. Tributaries means which river join with the main river, and distributaries means one more rivers started from the main river. It means this river is coming out from the Ganga river. I think all the students could understand well. Then this river is the Padma river. Ganga enters into Bangladesh main stream, further flows south and join with the Brahmaputra river, where it is called Meghna river. These rivers Ganga, Brahmaputra, which join, they form the Sundarban Delta. This region is known for the Sundarban Delta. Derived its name from the Sundari tree. Because this name is got by the trees which are found there, these trees are known as a Sundari tree. It is world largest and fastest growing delta. What is the delta? You have to comment in the comment box if you know it. Ganga river, it is the length near about 2500 kilometer. This river started from Ambala, and where there is the water divide between the two rivers, it is Indus river and Ganga river system. So you could understand well, student. I hope you could understand well this lesson and make the, you will say, kind of notes over the lesson.